Hello guys, this is me Supriya Sharma. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today I'm back with a new video as you have read the title. So today's video is on nails. So yeah, as you can see my nails are much prettier. So I am going to suggest you that how you can grow your nails in such a good condition and it will look that prettier. So if you are interested to grow your nails and it should look this prettier, so please keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get started.
So the things required for this remedy is nail polish remover. This is for 70 rupees. Just now I have brought from the medical. And then it is the vitamin E capsule, which is just extremely cheaper and affordable, and it's the best. Vaseline, coin, cold water, brush with Colgate. So these are the ingredients that you require. And as you can see my nails. As you saw my nails, but I'm not going to use the remover because my nails are already clean. So I'll directly apply the brush. तो अच्छे से इसको clean कर लेंगे and then it will be clean and then we can wash it. Don't go too harsh with your nails. Extremely आराम से करना ताकि टूटे ना. As you can see, I'm applying it inside also. अच्छे से अंदर से भी मैं clean out कर रही हूँ. ज़्यादा अंदर जाता नहीं है, पर थोड़ा बहुत जैसे आप अच्छे से कर सकते हो वैसे कर लेना. Nail polish remover also you can use after this, but I'm not going to use because it is clean और मेरे हाथों में nail paint नहीं है. So now you can wash your hand with the cold water nicely inside also, and then wash it. And then wipe it with the cloth. As you can see that my nails are little bit yellow. तो मेरा कुछ nail में गंदगी नहीं है. It is just because I had applied one day ago yellow nail paint which has not completely. See, I'm not going to use it because ऊपर से मैंने सब निकाल लिया है. तो I'm not having any nail polish on my plate. Now the second thing is you have to push the cuticle upwards so that आपका nail growth बहुत अच्छे से हो. To take a coin, push your cuticles upwards so that this is the main thing that helps to grow your nail. So push the cuticle upside. Be gentle with it, don't be harsh with it. As you can see, I've pushed it up और वो थोड़ा सा space दिख रहा है. So we are done with this. Now we are going to make the paste with vitamin and Vaseline. So for this you need a box, container in where you can store it up. A earbud to mix. Now I'm going to remove the Vaseline into the container and the vitamin E. As you can see, I have a small container जिसमें आप store करके रख सकते हो अच्छे से. I'm not going to make too much paste out of it because I'll use little ज़्यादा, because you can make it is just झटपट वाला ट्रिक. तो बार बार आप बना सकते हो, एक ही बार मैं बना के नहीं रखूंगी. So this is that I'm putting it in the container for almost 5 to 6 days. हो जाता है, चल जाता है. Now as you can see, I'm removing this vitamin E capsule and अभी मैं इसके जो भी विटामिन ई कैप्सूल के अंदर का जो भी ऑयल है, आई एम गोइंग टू पोर इट. बिलीव मी, विटामिन इज द बेस्ट थिंग फॉर ईच एंड एवरी प्रोसेस. मेरे को ऑल्सो कमेंट में ये बताओ कि आपको विटामिन ई के सब फायदे पता है या नहीं. आपको चाहिए कि मैं विटामिन ई के बारे में बहुत सारी वीडियोस बनाऊं, हाउ इट्स हेल्पफुल एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई विल मेक श्योर दैट आई डू द सेम. सो देखो, अभी थोड़ा लग गया तो आई एम गोइंग टू मिक्स इट अप. विटामिन ई एंड वैसलीन. Now, as you can see, the mixer is ready. The paste is ready. Now, I'm going to pour it. As you can see, I'm applying it on my nails. This you can do like night का time पे apply it and then go for sleep. So day के time पे भी कर सकते हो, but don't eat anything. So now you can see, I'll store it in the container. इसके लिए मैंने बहुत छोटा सा container लिया है जहाँ पे मैं अच्छे से रख सकती हूँ. And then massage it gently. Don't be harsh with your nails. And one more thing that I want to say is, apply nail paint if you really want the growth and if you want that your nail should not break. तो नेल पेंट हमेशा लगा के रखिए, बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव है. बिलीव मी, आई डू इट, आई रियली डू इट. सो एज यू कैन सी, आई एम स्टोर्ड इट अप. मसाज भी हो गया. सो वी आर डन, गुड टू गो.
So yeah guys, this was the remedy for the nail growth, and I'm pretty sure that your nails will grow if you follow this remedy. And if you will do it, then please let me know in the comment section. Also let me know what are your problems or what else do you need for me to make videos like for you. So I'll come up with that, don't worry. Follow this remedy and let me know in the comment section if it works for you. I'm sure that it's gonna work for each and every one of you. Follow it, try it, and also do follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet. I post regularly so that you can be updated with my day-to-day life. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, so you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the notification. So yeah, this is me, Supriya Sharma, saying you goodbye, and I shall see you in the next one pretty soon. So yeah, bye. Take care. Bye.